If your TV turns into a war zone every night, this is for you. In my home, watching TV should be relaxing, but it turns into a fight. Football over here, cartoons over there, and I'm just trying to get one calm episode. For the longest time, IPTV wasn't entertainment. It was stress. Because I kept trying those too good to be real deals online. You've seen them. 15,000 channels, $40 a year, best IPTV? Sounds perfect, until the moment you actually need it. Big match starts, buffering, movie night, stuck loading, kids hit play, nothing happens. And the second a second device connects, boom, everything crashes. The worst part was when guests came over. The TV would freeze and someone would say, "Is your stream stuck?" And I'd laugh it off like, "Nah, it's just loading. 1 sec. And support? Don't even get me started. Half the time, no answer. The other half, check your internet. But my Wi-Fi was strong. The provider was the problem. I honestly started believing maybe IPTV just can't handle multiple devices. Then I kept hearing the same name everywhere. Best IPTV provider.
Best IPTV provider.
Best IPTV provider.
Best IPTV provider.
Not a random seller. Not WhatsApp messages. A real professional website. So I said, okay, one last try. But I'm doing it the right way. I opened the site, clean, simple, no confusion. 3 plans, starter, premium, and VIP. If you're alone on one screen, starter or premium can work. But if you've got family, multiple TVs, or you switch devices, VIP is the move. Because in my house, we use the living room TV, the bedroom TV, and sometimes my phone all at once. With VIP, smooth, fast, stable, no freezing, no fights. I picked VIP, checked out in seconds, and got an email with my login and easy setup steps. Living room, perfect. Bedroom, perfect. Phone, perfect. If you're tired of buffering and unreliable IPTV, click the link in the description or first comment. Go to Best IPTV Provider, and if you use more than one device, go straight for VIP.